Now, I have some serious goals for 2024. I'm standing on business for 2024. It's about big business, big goals. Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Felicia Mesadieu, and I am a creative and designer based in Houston, Texas. I do work for a startup tech company in the aesthetic space, and on my channel, I love to talk about design and life. I love to document my journey as I level up in my career. If that sounds like something you and I have in common, then look no further. This is the place to be. Happy 2024, happy new year to you. I am so happy that we made it to a new year. It's feeling like a me season. It's looking like a me season. I feel like it's looking like a you season. It's a we season. And with that being said, I want to go ahead and talk about my mantra and my plans for the year. My mantra for the year is increase. My word for the year is increase. Increase in wisdom, increase in income, increase in abundance, increase in spirit, increase in relationships. 2023 was definitely a year of experiences. I experienced some loss and some lessons, but I'm happy to say that I was able to heal, rebound, and recover. And I'm truly excited about where I am right now. And I'm just excited for the future and what God has for me moving into this space of 2024. Now, I have some serious goals for 2024. I'm standing on business for 2024. It's about big business, big goals, big focus, big clarity, all the above. I have so much more clarity now that we're in 2024, and I am able to think more clearly than I was in 2023. I have so much clarity stepping into 2024 that it's giving shine bright like a diamond. I created my vision board for 2024. It's on my laptop, it's on my phone. I'm gonna have it printed out. I'm gonna put it on my wall. And recently I watched the video from Corey of Hello Corey. And she had the idea of having a vision journal, and I definitely think I'm going to create that too, because like Mariah Carey says, we belong together. This vision of mine, we belong together. I will be manifesting everything. Now, it may not all come true this year. That's okay. I'm totally okay with continuations, but baby, it's all going to come true one day or another. Today, I want to talk about the planner that I do use to set realistic goals for the year and for the quarter. I do use the Michael Hyatt Full Focus system to plan out my goals, and that comes with this planner. So ideally, you want to purchase a new planner every 3 months. 3 months goes into a quarter, so that's 4 quarters. It's subscription based, but I don't have the subscription. I just pay for it every 3 months, and I just remember because I know I can't live my life without my planner. What you want to do in the planner is you want to plan your goals out for the year. It gives you space to plan your goals out for the year, and then after you plan your goals out for the year, you drill that down even further, and then you start to plan out the goals that you want to achieve for the quarter. In the planner, you'll see that you have a calendar. There's also a page where it lists out all the projects that you want to tackle for the year. But again, you can really drill this down and you can plan quarterly, and it allows you to do that. And then what you'll want to do after that is drill it down even further. You'll break it down to where you're referencing your quarterly goals, but you start to look at your weeks, and you'll plan your weeks based on the goals that you want to accomplish quarterly, and then it drills it down even further to where you start to plan for your days based on what you have your goal for the week is, and then that all goes back to you planning for the quarter. So what this does is help you organize your planning. It helps you to be more clear, have that clarity, and be very focused so that you can accomplish your goals without all of this anxiety. And I will say that in 2023, it definitely helped me to narrow down my focus, and it did help me to improve the way that I think about planning, the approach that I take to planning. And it's definitely a game changer. As with anything, there is trial and error, and I did have to figure out my system. There is a channel that Michael Hyatt does have that breaks down how to use the Full Focus planner. There's several different videos, and it helps you to learn how to best use it for your lifestyle. I did reference those videos in the first couple of quarters. I went back to those videos frequently, and I used them to learn how to plan, and they were very, very helpful. There are also creators on YouTube that gives you best practices and tips when learning how to use this planner. I'm looking forward to see what I accomplish in 2024 based on this system, and I know that things will only improve the better that I get and the more familiar I get with this system. So I'm super excited. I do want to talk about the goals that I do have for 2024. As I said before, 2024 is my year of increase. So as soon as I open the planner, I immediately say this year of 2024, I am hyper focused on increasing my income 5 times more than what I make now. So my annual goals, I do break them down into several different areas of life. So the 7 different areas of life, they're similar for most people, but some people have different titles for the 7 areas. But I want to talk about what I'll be focused on for this quarter specifically. Occupational, and that's successfully pivot to be a UI UX designer and become a career journey and design lifestyle creator. Physical health, begin my gut journey. Each quarter, the experts do say to focus on at least 1 to 3 goals. I feel like I'm in a good space. I'm going to do a check-in with my goals at the end of the first quarter. That was something that I did not get to do last year. I had every intention of doing that, but again, last year was just a very interesting year. It was a very eventful year for me, but this year I'm very, very focused on my goals. I have clarity, and I know that I can do this. So I will definitely be checking in after the first quarter to give you all an update. I want to know what you're using to plan your year with. If you're planning at all, have you put your vision board on your wall yet? Did you start your vision board? What are you doing to plan it out for 2024? Well, thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link down to the Full Focus planner down in my description box, and also on the comment section. I will also leave a link to the playlist if this is something that you're interested in. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.